Hi guys, welcome to 30 Plus Travelers. Myself Srihari, I'm again remembering you. That last video it was like some things like I got that no details like something is missing. We don't understand the place details and all. So it will come on the next video. Definitely it will be uploaded soon. And today I came to this video because of that I'm starting a trip. This is my office trip, and we office people all are going for a place called Mandarmani. It's actually a beach. So that's also a beach place. It's actually 200 kilometers far from Kolkata. So actually, right now that this is actually I'm not going by bike actually, but now I'm taking my bike to my office, and from there we will be going by car. Like we are 10 to 12 people are going there. It's a beach place it's near to Dikha. It's near to very close to the India border like that, and it's a beautiful place. I heard it, and main thing it was like I just want to know. I want to tell you something about the places. While I will clear all the details, while the who all are given me the suggestions on the previous video, I'll be doing this. And I got a suggestion that people should said like you have to explain in Malayalam also because that's my mother tongue. So for a bit I am explaining in Malayalam. ഞാനിപ്പം പറയുന്ന കാര്യം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഞാനൊരു പുതിയ ട്രിപ്പിന് പോവാണ്, ഓഫീസ് ട്രിപ്പാണ്. എൻ്റെ ഓഫീസിലെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് എല്ലാവരും ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഓഫീസിലെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് എല്ലാവരും കൂടെ ചേർന്നിട്ടാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾ പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും കൂടെ ഇപ്പോൾ പോകാനായിട്ട് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്ന സ്ഥലം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് മന്ദാർമണി എന്ന് പറയുന്നൊരു ബീച്ചാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അതൊരു ബീച്ച് പ്ലേസ് ആണ്. ഞങ്ങളവിടെ റിസോർട്ടിലേക്കാണ് പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ അതിൻ്റെ വീഡിയോസ് പതുക്കെ എല്ലാം ഡീറ്റെയിൽസും അപ്ഡേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും. പിന്നെ ഞാൻ പറയാനുള്ള ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ലാസ്റ്റ് ടൈമിൽ തന്ന സപ്പോർട്ട് ഞാൻ വളരെയധികം ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നു. കാരണം എൻ്റെ ചാനലിനെ ഇത്രയധികം സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന എൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനെ എനിക്ക് ഭയങ്കരമായിട്ട് അപ്രീഷിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്തേ പറ്റൂ. ഞാൻ അവരെല്ലാവരും ഐ എം റിയലി അപ്രീഷിയേറ്റിംഗ് ദ പീപ്പിൾ ഹു സപ്പോർട്ടിങ് മീ വെരി വെൽ, ആൻഡ് ഐ വിൽ കീപ് ഗോയിങ് ഓൺ വിത്ത് ദിസ്. ആൻഡ് ലാസ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോയിൽ തന്ന സപ്പോർട്ട് ഐ എം സോ ഗ്ലാഡ് ടു നോ ദാറ്റ് പീപ്പിൾ ആർ ആക്ച്വലി വെരി സപ്പോർട്ടിങ് ടു മീ. ആൻഡ് ഞാനിപ്പോൾ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ഇപ്പോൾ ഏകദേശം രാത്രി സമയം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇഫ് ഐ വോണ്ട് ടു ചെക്ക് 11 മണിയായി. ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഇപ്പോൾ 11 മണിക്ക് ഞാനിപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഇറങ്ങിയാൽ ഞാൻ അറൗണ്ട് ഒരു അരമണിക്കൂർ കൊണ്ട് ഓഫീസിലെത്തും. ഞങ്ങൾ രാത്രി ഒരു 2 മണിയാകുമ്പോഴത്തേനും അവിടെ നിന്ന് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യും. അവിടുന്ന് ഗരിയ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞൊരു സ്ഥലത്തെത്തും. അപ്പോൾ ഗരിയ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന സ്ഥലത്തിൽ നിന്നാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ പോകാനുള്ള ക്യാബിലേക്ക് കയറുന്നത്. അപ്പം ആ സമയത്ത് ഞാൻ അടുത്ത വീഡിയോ ആ സമയത്ത് കാണാം. സോ ഐ എം ഗോയിങ് ടു ടേക്ക് മൈ ബൈക്ക്. സോ യു പീപ്പിൾ നോ ദാറ്റ് I have an old bike, and this is my bike. Last video also I showed you my bike. This is a very old one, and this is a Yamaha FZ. And anyway, guys, see you soon. Like I will update slowly. Thank you. We stopped. This place name is actually called Kholaghat, and this is the first stop. We just stopped for the snacks, and we had bread omelette from here. So it's just like it's easy to go. This is the highway. We just passing through from there. We came we just came from there, and so the thing is like these all the restaurants is actually like always morning and all it is open. So these are the team which we are going, my company team, like it's a sales team, US sales team. So I'm joining with them, like we are going. So we just went to a small shop and had some bread omelette, chai and all. We just had it. So these are all the people like my friends who are in working, my co-workers and all. So from here we have to travel 2.5 hours. We already spent 2 hours, around 2 hours we already spent that. So it's a national highway. Come a little bit back. Just taking a video. No, not you. I told him.
Why I'm telling you, because one night we'll stay, no? So in better place where we can,
We need peaceful
enjoy
place.
every hour is, every minute is important for us.
No, the thing is like we need a peaceful place. It's too crowded. And I don't think so I'll enter to the water also.
Those type of hobbies are fine. At least we'll get the complete scene.
Yeah. It should not be like that. It should be in the
you are
beach.
taking that is something else. You are talking that will get in
And Pappu should go to Goa, man. Pappu should go to Goa. And he is telling like it's like Goa, na? If Goan people get that, they will tappat marega usko.
No, don't compare with Goa.
Goa is something different.
Goa is something different.
Can't even say that. Goa, comparatively, Goa and all Indian other beaches like Pondicherry is fine. And I saw some like Pondicherry and Goa only can be compared, but another beaches are not even compared. Even Kerala, we have so much of beaches, but we can't compare it with Goa. Goa is something different, man.
Even I don't like also Marina Sea Beach also.
Marina is not clean, na.
मुंबई का वो जुहू
Juhu is also not clean.
बहुत बेकार उससे साफ तो दीघा है
Juhu is also not clean. Juhu is a big beach, but Marina is the biggest beach in India, but it's not clean.
मरीना चेन्नई
It's not clean. But Goa, you went there, na? It's clear, clean. It's clean and you can get into water. You will get facilities in the beach, and beach is actually like you have to walk around 1 kilometer to get into the sand itself. You have to walk. And really you will get that atmosphere. And the parking also not like this. They have every facilities there. Even lakhs of people are coming, but we don't feel it. It is crowded.
Yeah.
That is a speciality. Here it is like I feel like I came to a park. I'm taking a video, don't overtake it, okay? No, I'm telling you, don't overtake me because I'm taking a video.
Sure.
The video is running actually from there itself.
If you want to buy something, you can buy here also.
I don't have these kind of places, and I have to buy something for her, that's fine. I don't want to buy anything for me because it's common things for me to there. The people who doesn't have any facility to go, if you go and ask to a person from south, come we'll go to beach, I said, they say what? Oh, I have no interest. They will say like that because very few people, but if they ask to go to mountain, they will say come let's go. Because even mountains are there, but they are crazy about mountains. Beaches are like common thing. No, it's okay. It's okay.
But you have to, one thing you have to bargain here.
Here, yeah. Need to know the language.
They'll ask like anything.
You need to know the language. There is no waves. Here only. So there is no sand and all. Like just only.
No, this is not a bathing. You will get sand.
You will get sand.
Where?
Not here.
Come, let's go till there and we'll come back.
Not, I think,